Hi, how may I help you? I have a complaint about my microwave. It doesn't work. What's wrong with it? The popcorn button and the pizza buttons don't work. I put something in the microwave, I push pizza, and it still comes out exactly the same. So I try the popcorn button. Same thing. It doesn't change anything to popcorn or pizza. That's not what those buttons are for. The popcorn button is supposed to microwave your popcorn, and the pizza button is supposed to heat up your pizza. Possibly frozen pizza. Then why didn't they specify otherwise? Why is there nothing on the box saying that it doesn't? Probably because most people don't assume that the microwave is magic.